Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to insert a new items into a list using append method and insert method. So let's start the tutorial. Now let's check the final output of our application. Insert new item into a list using both methods, append and insert method. This is my command to execute the program. The original list is this one. Now I am adding a new item which is Raju. When I click enter, notice after enter the name Raju, after insert new item, the append method, Jack, Peter, Ben, Vijay and Raju is added here. And next one, this is the original list using the insert method. So insert, I am adding Charan, and insert method takes two parameters. The index position I am adding 1. So after Jack I want to print Charan. When I click enter, notice here I got after insert new item using insert method, Jack, index number 1 which is Charan I have added.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which is a Python-tutorials. And here the Python-tutorials folder is added. Let me expand this folder. Now in this folder, I will add a new Python file called new item insert list.py. And here we got the newly created Python file is open. Now my aim is insert new item into a list using append method and insert method. Two methods I want to show. So first I will show you using append method. First, so now I record one list 1 is equals to, between square brackets I am adding some names, Jack, Peter, Ben, Vijay, Raju. Just for the demo purpose, I have added only few names in this list 1. Now, first print the original list, which is the list 1. Now, after that, I want to insert new item into this list 1 using the append method. So, for that, I am adding new item. I am creating an object, input, enter the name, list1 dot append method. Notice the append method takes a string parameter, and whatever the string we are appending, that item is added to the end of the list. So whatever item we are using the append method, it will insert it at the end of the list. So here I am adding new item. That's it. Now print after insert new item with append method. List 1. That's it. First let's check the output. Save all. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got the terminal. Let's check the output using the append method, how to insert the new element to this list 1. Command is py new item insert list.py, enter. Notice here I got the original list first. This is the Jack, enter the name Charan. Now I want to insert the Charan name into this list using the append method. When I click enter, notice after inserting the new item with append method, the Charan is added at the end of the list. So append method is used at the is used when you want to insert the new item at the end of the list. Now the second method, I will show you the insert method. When we have to use the insert method to insert new items in a list. Second method using insert. Now instead of writing the same thing, just copy this one, paste here, new item. Up to here it's okay. Now instead of append method, I am adding insert method. Now insert method takes two parameters, one is the index and the second one is the object is a string. So what is the index here? The index is, which is nothing but the list one index. 0 is Jack, 1 is Peter, where 2 is Ben, like that. So index starts with 1. Now I want to insert the new value, so let's get one more. Insert index. Index is equals to int. Index is integer value, so I am adding integer type, enter the index number, comma, that's it. We don't require anything. The first parameter we need to add the insert number, which is the insert index, comma, and the second parameter is a new item, which I am getting from the input method. That's it. After insert new item using insert method. That's it. Now let's save this file, save all. We'll check the final output of our application. Clear. Now let's check the final output of our application. Insert new item into a list using both methods, append and insert method. This is my command to execute the program. The original list is this one. Now I am adding a new item, which is Raju. When I click enter, notice after enter the name Raju, after insert new item, the append method, Jack, Peter, Ben, Vijay and Raju is added here. And next one, this is the original list using the insert method. So insert, I am adding Charan, and insert method takes two parameters. The index position I am adding 1. So after Jack, I want to print Charan. When I click enter, notice here I got after insert new item using insert method, Jack, index number 1, which is Charan, I have added. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to insert new items into a list object in Python using append method and insert method. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.